Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your Monzo account to another bank account. First, open the Monzo app on your phone. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the button that says Payments. This is where you can manage all your transfers and outgoing payments. At the top, you may see different accounts if you have more than one. Make sure the correct account is selected before you continue. Now tap on Pay Someone. This will bring up different payment options, including bank transfer and other services. To transfer money to a bank account, choose the option for bank transfer. Next, you will see a form where you need to enter the recipient's details. Type in the person's full name, then enter their sort code and account number. Choose the account type if asked, such as personal or business. Once all the details are entered, you will then be asked to enter the amount you want to transfer. Type in the amount, and you can also add a reference if you want the recipient to know what the payment is for. After that, you will see a confirmation screen. That is all you need to do. Thanks for watching.